Good night, teacher. My name is John Albert Rojas Guanumen. Study Professional Técnica and Light Freight Transport. Butcher short. One kind of beef. The greengrocer is onions, green beans, ciders, red and yellow paprika, tomatoes, big onions, thyme, bay leaf, oregano, cumin, and salt. Supermarket, rice, sauces, and Coca-Cola. Dream friend. Hello, I'm John. Will you going to go? The ingredients yours at the corners, Raymond Avenue and Grantham Boulevard. First tip. You go walking Southern Raymond Boulevard to True Stream to the market. You will find the rice, the salt, the sauces, and the bottle of soda. Second step. In the corner of John Street, 2 tickets. You pass to Gammon Street. Tres will find the Great Grocer. 3 shopping the vegetables and specials. Third step. When you go food on the corner to TV Town and John Street. You go up north to street. You go find the butter ship, the boy beef. The boy beef. Ingredients. 1 kg of beef, green beans, onions, big onions, ciders, red and yellow paprika, tomatoes, thyme, bay leaf, oregano, cumin and salt. The steps for beef steak and onions. First, to wash the beef and vegetables. Quick heat of vegetables. Shear the meat, white thyme, oregano, ciders, green beans, ciders, paprika and tomatoes. After that, put the meat on the cooking oil. Add tomatoes, onions, ciders, paprika and salt. On the cooking put apart the vegetables, paprika red and yellow, then other pot. Finally, add the beef stick to the vegetables. Less cooking, may sear the beef to the vegetables and the rice and Coca-Cola. Thank you, teacher. Good night.